What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be working on my Tacoma. Cool thing about today's video is this makes for a great gift for maybe someone's birthday, Christmas, doesn't matter. It's actually really affordable and they look nice and it's something aesthetic. So if you guys do end up wanting to get any of these products that I'll show you right now, make sure to check out the description box below. Let's go ahead and now get to the video and show you guys what I have. Come right over here. Alright, you guys, so like I said, these are going to be some simple mods. Technically they're not mods, they're just something aesthetic that you can add to your vehicle. So what I have right here is going to be a TRD Pro shift knob. So of course, if you guys do have a TRD Pro, this probably already comes with it. But if you guys have like a TRD off-road like me, or just a non-TRD Pro, this is a cool little thing to get. Of course, I know as far as for me, I do like that blacked out look. But a little bit of red just like that, it's not going to kill it. As you can tell, it has like the little TRD etching right there. So it's going to look freaking awesome. Once we put it in the truck, I'll show you guys how to install it. The next thing that I do have right here is going to be a radiator cap. As you can tell, it has the TRD on it. And then this one right here is actually really heavy. It's a TRD, the oil cap. So like I said, all these things, it's nothing crazy, but it's something cool to add to give it that little flavor. So let's go ahead and go and start off with the shift knob. It's going to be super easy, and then we'll install these and show you how it looks. All right, you guys, so we're first going to start off with the shift knob. Like I said, if you end up wanting to purchase this, it's going to be in the description box below. I'll make sure to link it there. So looking right here, as you can tell, this is the stock factory one that comes on most Tacomas if you don't have the TRD Pro, and this is going to be the brand new one. So right off the bat, you can tell the big difference. Looks way better. So this is actually really easy. So first thing you do is you grab your fingers, push down like that, and then up next, you literally just unscrew. So nothing hard about this. It's really easy, just like that. So now you go ahead and get your next one, and you do the same thing in the opposite direction. Go ahead and tighten down. Make sure you have it straight forward, just like that. So then you pull this thing up. Make sure it snaps in. As you can tell, now it looks freaking awesome, and now you guys can enjoy this brand new shift knob. So of course, this is just for aesthetic, but this would make a great gift for anybody, whether it's their birthday, whether it's Christmas, anything like that. Looks freaking awesome. Go ahead and get yours, description box below. Let's go ahead and now move on to the oil cap and the radiator cap. Let's do it now. All right, you guys, so up next for these mods, technically they're no mods, like I said, they're accessories. This is going to be in the engine bay. So excuse my engine bay, it's actually really dirty right now, but let's go ahead and move inside. So we're going to start off with the oil cap. As you can tell, it looks freaking awesome. It does have a gasket around there, and it's actually a little heavy. It has some weight to it, and this is the factory plastic one. So all you need to do is you just go ahead and unscrew the cap. So like I said, it's exactly the same. Here it is. So that's the plastic one. This is the brand new one we're going to be putting on. So all you literally do, screw it right in, just like that, and there it is. Damn, never thought I'd put chrome on the truck, but that looks pretty cool. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, you guys, so this next one that I have right here is going to be a TRD radiator cap. So noticing this is the factory one, so we're just going to go ahead and uncap that. One thing though, you do want to make sure the car is cold, because if it's not cold and you go to open this, you're going to burn the heck out of your face, your hands, and it's just going to be a bad day for you at the hospital. So I haven't turned on my truck, so it should be cold. So you just go ahead and uncap it, just like that. And then it should release nice and easy. So there it is. And then same way you took it off, you're going to notice it has like little fins there and a fin there. You want to make sure to insert those in its position, and then go ahead and cap it off. Make sure you tighten it well, and there it is, you guys. So now there's your brand new cap. Looks freaking awesome. So like I said, if you guys do end up wanting to go ahead and purchase any of these products that I showed you guys today, whether the engine bay ones or the inside one, check out the description box below. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.